Hi, I think the chatbots that we have available in the market today do not do a very good job when it comes to organizing conversations. And I try to kind of solve that problem for myself by building a tool myself. And I would like to demonstrate that to you now. Before I do that, for example, ChatGPT provides us with the projects feature as well as creating a branch inside of an ongoing conversation. While those are solving some of the problems that I've been having, um, I don't think I don't think either feature does a very good job when it comes to organizing conversations. For example, I want to show you one of the garbage idea I have been having. It's quite literally related to garbage. And as you can see, the more I create a branch from an ongoing conversation, the title gets messed up. And even if I change the title, I just don't know from where I branched off the conversation and for what reason. The whole thing becomes a very convoluted mess. If this is not a problem for you, you can stop watching this video right now and you're not going to lose anything. Now, onto the app that I built. It basically looks like this, and I can start off a conversation like I do with ChatGPT, for example, by asking a simple question, and it will give me a response. And I have had several branches inside of this conversation, and the good thing is there is this button at the bottom right corner, and if I click on that, it clearly shows me where I branched off, and I can definitely branch off at multiple levels. And I think this is useful. um, and when I click on one of the branches, it takes me back to the thread that I was uh, in, and I can create further more threads inside of that by simply selecting the text and then clicking on create a subthread button. And as you can tell from here, I have had several branches, right? And some of them have just one level um, in depth, and some have more than that. um, Either way, I hope you see the point I'm trying to make. And if I want to continue the main thread, I can definitely go back and do that here. Or if I want to go to one of those subthreads, and as I am reading one of those subthreads here, I find something that's interesting and I want to explore that separately, I could do so by simply selecting the text and then again starting a thread or continue the conversation here. I think ChatGPT or one of these bots, if they provide users with something like this, I think it can go a long way. And that's the only point I'm trying to make. User experience is something that I keep reading that the chatbots today do a very poor job at. I don't know, but this is a very vibe coding attempt to solve that problem, so to speak. So that's basically all I have. If this idea resonates with you, feel free to you know um, go to that page right there. I'll leave a link in the description below, and the app is running on my laptop. Remember that your conversations are readable to me. If you don't want to do that, if you don't want me to read them, then don't use the app. And if you are interested in the code itself, send me a message or leave a comment, and I will add you to my GitHub repository. Thanks.